The channel. My name Anastasia and I'm your go-to holistic health and fitness expert. In today's video, I want to speak with you about the importance that you need to earn your food. You not necessarily need also to earn your money for the living, but as well you need to earn the food that you are eating on your daily basis. It's not about eating on the time that it's time for breakfast, for lunch, for dinner, for snacking. It's about eating when you're hungry. It's about really feeling the hunger. And most of the time we are eating just because we have a bunch of food items in our fridge, just because we feel boring, just because we feel stressed, just because we feel anxiety, just because we feel kind of like whining, because we feel depressed, because we feel sad. That's why we bunch eating certain food items. Particularly it's salty cravings like chips, nuts, crunchy snacking. Also the sweet and sugary snacks like chocolate, M&Ms, ice creams, etc. As well as the alcohol, as well as the addiction, as well as a different substance. It's always affecting you because you are not earning the food. And particularly if you earn the food, you would benefit even more and more, and for your digestive system, for your well-being, for your nutrition to be as a part of your nourishment. So how to earn? You need just to make an activity, to make an exercise, to make particularly feeling the hunger, not because you wake up and you need quickly to have your breakfast, just because you need to do exercise, to do and earn the food by going like our ancestors was doing. They go and fish to get to have a fish for their lunch. They go and hunt to get a meat, not they just walk from the parking slot to the supermarket, get a couple of kilos of the meat and then cook. No, it's about earning. It's about actually going to the garden, actually going to the farmer's market and getting this fruits and vegetables. When I'm even talking, I'm already mouth watering because I'm here with you cooking the lunch and I'm already feeling hungry, and then I'm expressing this because I did something. I drive to get the food, I prepare the fireplace to make a grill, and I know that I earn, and my body is feeling that it is hungry. So here I also need to look after the fireplace at the same time because it's my designation today as part as recording also this video. So to earn your food, it's very simple. You need to feel the hunger. It's not about that hunger is bad, and if you feel hungry, it's not about starving and that you are dying. No, my friend, you wouldn't die because you feel hungry. And it's not about starvation. It's different story. The bulimia and anorexia, it's not the story of our life, because I was there, I know what it is. I was doing a modeling. So you do not starve yourself, but you feel the healthy hunger. When you feel that you're hungry, make your food, but just not that you are sitting on a sofa as a couch potato. You do activity, you do deserve your food, you do physical exercise, you run, you walk to your job place, or you ride a bicycle, or you go and do some activity in the garden, or you play with your kids, or you go by walking to the local farmer market or to the supermarket. And all of this is a part of earning your food that would benefit you on a regular basis. So as simple as it is, and you would see tremendous results on your nourishment, because when you do exercise, when you get the hunger, and then when you prepare the food and you fulfill your hunger, you would observe that actually you do not eat that much food, and eventually it would benefit your weight loss, nourishment, and benefits in your feeling in your digestive system, in your mood swings, and all the benefits that come together with nourishment and food plan and eating habits. So here you see how is everything interconnected, and you would think that, oh, I'm saying something nonsense. Why do I need to starve myself and feel hungry? Just because it's healthy. And then it's easy to switch to the one meal a day, which is absolutely a beautiful habit to have. You do not need to eat 5 times a day. You do not need to eat 3 times a day. One meal a day is a great size of the food for you to nourish yourself, to feel your best, and to consume enough of calories to satisfy your cravings and feel the best of you. So what else can I say about it? What else I can say is that you need to subscribe to the channel, stay tuned, send me a message if you need to know more about the program, and I will see you over there.